Brr, it is freezing in here. That's why we're in the North Pole office. No! Can anybody get me a towel? Woo, 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 woo. Ah, it's a tornado. Wow. Let's get this tornado out of here. Touch the eye. Touch the eye. Touch it. Whew, it's finally gone. Ugh, thank goodness. Let's go. Okay, here we go. High pressure, low pressure need to be a bit close to each other, somewhere near a hot place. Then the sun makes an updraft. Then they need clouds too. One big cloud, and then it keeps going up. Then high pressure and low pressure hit in the cloud, and then form a tornado. Okay, pretend house here and an anvil here. See this tornado and this tornado. They don't look very similar. This one's a non-supercell, not very strong. This one's a supercell, extremely strong. Let's see how they go of wrecking stuff. Did you see that the non-supercell didn't pick up the anvil and the supercell picked up the house? That's how strong a tornado is. Whoa, that was amazing. This must be the difference between a fire-nado to a water spout. They're both nearly the same, just they're the opposite. Water is the opposite of fire, just like that. So, that's the difference. Oh, we seem to be in United States in the school, which gets 1,000 tornadoes each year. Wow, that's a lot. Wait. 1,000 tornadoes are above the school. We have to stop them. We can't. We have to get out of here. Evacuate. They're gonna merge together. Actually, when tornadoes merge, they do more damage, which they can change into even stronger tornadoes. Oh, it's a nice cozy night. Yep. What shall we do? I don't know. just crash into us.
Yep, I don't know how this happened. My tail hurts a lot. Wow, that's a very big, giant planet. It's like a gigantic meteor.
Yeah, it's the biggest dwarf planet. Let's roll it out of here.